Alright, let's get going. Our journey begins on an island that feels like a world apart, a place where the Atlantic's endless blue meets the wild, untamed beauty of volcanic land. Picture a volcanic island in the Atlantic, lush, wild, and unmistakably Portuguese, yet with a spirit all its own. Madeira is a tapestry of dramatic cliffs, rolling green hills, and the ever-present sound of waves crashing below. This is Madeira, once a secret among seasoned travelers, now a rising star for adventurers. Its hidden coves and scenic overlooks have long been whispered about by those in the know, but now the world is catching on. Here, the landscape shifts from sunlit coasts to misty mountain peaks in minutes. One moment you're basking in golden light, the next you're enveloped in clouds, high above the sea. Madeira isn't your typical beach getaway, it's rugged, dramatic, and alive with challenge. The island calls to those who crave adventure, who want to feel the wind on their face and the earth beneath their boots. Towering cliffs plunge into the sea, creating a coastline that's both breathtaking and humbling. The sheer scale of nature here is impossible to ignore, and ancient forests blanket the hills, home to rare plants and birds found nowhere else on Earth. The Laura Silva Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a living relic of a prehistoric world. The island is a floating garden, bursting with flowers year-round and fresh, ocean-scented air. Every path is lined with color, every breeze carries the scent of blooming life. Madeirans have carved terraces into mountainsides, transforming steep slopes into fertile farmland. These terraces are a testament to generations of ingenuity and hard work, and built villages that cling to cliffs, a testament to resilience. Each village tells a story of survival and adaptation, with houses painted in bright colors to stand out against the green. This is your invitation to explore, hike, and stand in awe of nature's power. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a casual wanderer, Madeira's trails promise unforgettable views and moments of pure wonder. We'll soar above the island, wander its vibrant capital, and discover the blend of old-world charm and modern energy that makes Funchal so unique. And climb to its highest peaks. Taste unique food, experience warm culture, and sip pancha, the island's signature drink, with locals who are always ready to share a story. Discover a world apart, where every valley hides a secret, and every path leads to a new adventure. Madeira is a destination that rewards curiosity and adventure. From paragliding above the cliffs to winding drives through mountain roads, there's always something new to experience. The world is starting to notice, but the magic is still yours to discover. Early mornings here are quiet, peaceful, and full of promise. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. The sun rises over Madeira, casting golden light on a land waiting to be explored. We're about to race through one of the most stunning landscapes on Earth. The adventure starts now, and every moment promises something extraordinary. Let's go discover the magic of Madeira together, one breathtaking view at a time. Imagine launching a drone from a cliffside and watching Madeira unfold below. The island's jagged mountains form a dramatic spine, their peaks and valleys sculpted by nature. From above you see sunlit villages on the southern coast and mysterious clouds swirling around the highlands. The ancient Laura Silva Forest stretches out, a living relic from another era. Madeira's coastline is anything but gentle. Massive cliffs drop into the Atlantic, black sand beaches and natural pools dot the shore. Tiny fishing villages nestle in coves, their colorful boats bobbing in the harbor. The island is a world of contrasts, sunny and warm in one spot, cool and misty in another. Rugged wilderness meets peaceful communities, all surrounded by endless ocean. Flying above, you sense Madeira's isolation and self-sufficiency. This aerial view sets the stage for the adventures waiting on the ground. The island's beauty is breathtaking from every angle. The adventure has truly begun. Let's bring our drone down to Funchal, Madeira's vibrant capital. The city spills down steep hillsides to the sea, its red-tiled roofs glowing in the sun. Funchal blends history and modern life, with a relaxed, welcoming vibe. In the old town, narrow cobblestone lanes are lined with centuries-old buildings and colorful painted doors. Outdoor cafes buzz with life, and every corner reveals a new surprise. At the Mercado dos Lavradores, the farmers' market, stalls overflow with exotic flowers and tropical fruits. Downstairs, fishermen sell the day's catch, including the famous black scabbard fish. Ride the cable car up the mountain for sweeping views, then wander the Monte Palace Tropical Garden, filled with exotic plants and tranquil lakes. Funchal is the perfect introduction to Madeira's spirit, beautiful, historic, and full of life. It's a city that invites you to linger and explore. Here, the mountains and sea meet in spectacular harmony. This is your base camp for adventure. Now, let's leave the city behind and soar into the heart of Madeira's untamed wilderness, the legendary Laura Silva Forest, a place where time seems to stand still. This ancient laurel forest, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the last surviving remnants of a type of forest that once blanketed much of southern Europe millions of years ago. From above, the Laura Silva appears as a vast emerald sea, but step inside, and you're enveloped in a cool, misty world, alive with the melodies of countless birds and the gentle rustle of leaves. Sunlight streams through twisted moss-draped branches, casting an ethereal glow that dances across the forest floor and brings the ancient trees to life. Often the forest is cloaked in a mysterious fog, softening every edge and making each step feel like a journey into a forgotten magical realm. Winding through this lush landscape are the levadas, ingenious man-made irrigation channels that have shaped Madeira's agriculture for centuries, their narrow paths inviting you to explore deeper into the green heart of the island. As you walk, you're surrounded by towering ferns and rare endemic birds like the elusive trocaz pigeon, found nowhere else on Earth, their calls echoing through the ancient trees. Every step feels like a passage into a lost world, untouched by time, where the primeval landscape remains as it has for millennia. The Laura Silva is more than just a forest. It's a living museum, home to unique plants and animals, a precious ecosystem that connects you to the island's ancient soul and natural history. Exploring its winding trails is an immersive experience, peaceful, magical, and utterly unforgettable, as if you've stepped into a storybook. This forest stands as a powerful reminder of nature's resilience, its ability to endure and thrive through the ages, despite the challenges of time and change. To truly understand the spirit of Madeira, you must walk these ancient paths, breathe the cool, fragrant air, and listen to the stories whispered by the wind through the leaves. The Laura Silva Forest is a place that lingers in your memory, a prehistoric wonderland you'll never forget, and one that will forever change the way you see the natural world. From the forest valleys, let's climb to Madeira's highest point, Pico Ruivo. This journey is more than just a hike. It's a passage through the heart of the island's wildest landscapes, where every step brings you closer to the sky. At 1,862 meters, this peak offers one of the world's most spectacular hikes. The mountain rises above the clouds, its summit often shrouded in mist, creating an atmosphere of mystery and awe. The landscape shifts as you ascend, from lush greenery to hardy mountain plants. Ancient laurel forests give way to windswept ridges, and the air is filled with the scent of wild herbs and earth. The air grows cooler and thinner, you're entering another world. Each breath feels fresher, and the silence is broken only by the wind and distant calls of mountain birds. Many hike to Pico Ruivo at sunrise, standing above a sea of clouds as the first light breaks. The golden glow paints the peaks and valleys, making the early start worthwhile. The panorama is breathtaking, jagged peaks, deep valleys, and the islands spread out below. On a clear day you can see the entire length of Madeira, from the rugged north coast to the sunlit south. The trail from Pico do Arrieiro to Pico Ruivo is challenging, with steep ascents, narrow ledges, and tunnels. It's a route that demands focus and determination, but rewards you with unforgettable vistas at every turn. It's a true test of endurance, but the rewards are immense. Each step pushes your limits, but the sense of achievement grows with every meter gained. Every step reveals dramatic scenery and a sense of adventure. The ever-changing views keep you inspired, and the camaraderie among fellow hikers adds to the experience. Reaching the summit, you feel on top of the world, with 360-degree views from coast to coast. The wind rushes past and the vastness of the landscape is humbling. The experience connects you to Madeira's volcanic origins and wild beauty. Here, the raw power of nature is on full display, from jagged rocks to delicate alpine flowers. Standing here, wind in your hair, you understand the island's power. The elements shape everything, and you feel both small and deeply connected to this ancient land. This is a peak experience in every sense. The journey, the challenge, and the reward all come together at this unforgettable summit. The journey is tough, but the view is unforgettable. It's a memory that will stay with you long after you've left the mountain behind. Adventure doesn't get better than this. Pico Ruivo is not just a destination, it's an experience that captures the spirit of Madeira, leaving you inspired and in awe. After the mountains, let's explore Madeira's dramatic coastline. Here, towering cliffs plunge into the Atlantic, creating a landscape of raw beauty. Cabo Jarao's glass skywalk offers a thrilling view straight down to the waves. Hidden coves, black sand beaches, and natural lava pools like Porto Moniz invite exploration. Fishing villages such as Camara de Lobos and Ponta do Sol offer a glimpse of traditional island life. Roads cling to cliffs, winding through tunnels and over bridges, a feat of engineering in a rugged land. The coastline is a place of adventure, history, and stunning views. It's the perfect finale to our island exploration. No adventure is complete without tasting Madeira's unique cuisine. Try espetada, beef skewered on laurel sticks and grilled over open flames. Seafood is everywhere, especially the iconic black scabbard fish, often served with fried banana. Fresh tuna, octopus, and limpets are local favorites. Don't miss bolo do caco, a warm garlicky flatbread, or the rich spicy honey cake bolo de mel. Madeira wine, aged and heated for its unique flavor, is world famous. Perfect before dinner, or with dessert. The island's food is simple, hearty, and full of tradition. Every meal is a celebration of land and sea. Savor the flavors and you'll taste the island's spirit. Madeira's cuisine is an adventure in itself. The heart of Madeira is its people and their vibrant culture. Warm, proud, and deeply connected to their land, Madeirans celebrate life through music, dance, and craft. Embroidery and wickerwork are traditional arts passed down for generations. Folk music and lively dances fill festivals year-round, from village festas to grand city celebrations. The New Year's Eve fireworks in Funchal are among the world's most spectacular. From the flower festival to the wine harvest, Madeira loves to celebrate. Every event is a chance to experience the island's joyful spirit. Here, culture is alive and shared with every visitor. Our journey through Madeira ends, but yours is just beginning. We've soared above mountains, wandered ancient forests, and explored rugged coasts. Madeira is more than a destination. It's an experience that challenges and inspires. In a single day, you can swim in natural pools, hike misty peaks, and savor local flavors. The island's diversity and mild climate make it perfect year-round. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, Madeira delivers. It's a place that rewards curiosity and a spirit of exploration. Pack your bags and discover the pearl of the Atlantic. Your next great adventure is waiting in Madeira. The world is waiting. Go explore.